In this quick video, I am going to show you how to share more than one photos on a single Instagram post using iPhone and iPads. Okay, first open your Instagram app. Then click this plus icon. Now here switch this to post. Now here you can see this file like icon. Just click that. Now select the photos you want to share on a single post. Just like that. You can add up to 10 photos. Then click next. Yeah. Now here you can see that. If you want to add another photos, just click this plus icon. Then click next. Then share your thoughts. Then hit OK. Share. That's it. Now you successfully shared more than one photos on a single Instagram post using iPhone and iPads. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.